Hey guys, Liam here from Force USA. Today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Force USA M10. We'll be doing a walkthrough of what sets this apart from your traditional all-in-one. First thing I want to go through with the M10 is that there's two different ways to set it up. With the walkthrough design, you're able to use both the front posts and the back posts at the same time, which means I could be doing cable flies in the front while I got someone in the back doing bench press. The second way to configure a rack is the support and storage design. This gives you more space for your attachments, plates, and whatever else you may have. What makes this possible is the 6-post structure, which unlike your traditional 4-post rack, gives you more stability and customization. Most 2x2 racks on the market are going to be 12 or 14 gauge steel. Here at Force USA, we're not about compromising quality. All 6 posts on the M10 are 11 gauge steel. What does this mean? This means that the lower the gauge of steel is, the thicker it is. So the M10 is ready for whatever you can throw at it. The true 2x2 design with 5/8 inch holes is an industry standard. So any third-party attachments or attachments made by us with 5/8 inch pins will be compatible with the machine. New to the Force USA M10 is the dual force twist lock, which allows you to easily switch between 2-to-1 and 1-to-1 within the cable ratio with a simple twist. Using 2-to-1, you'll be able to maximize cable travel and get a full range of motion. And with 1-to-1, you can use that full weight stack for up to 400 pounds of resistance. Being able to switch between pulley ratios makes swapping attachments and exercises super easy. With the M10, we brought back a familiar favorite, the freestyle pulley arms. These arms have vertical and horizontal pin adjustment points and full rotational movement. This allows for a range of motion that extends beyond the height and width of the unit. The freestyle pulley arms have 2 different modes, lock mode and flow mode. In lock mode, you're able to lock out the arms in any position, which is great for heavy lifts like presses, pull downs, and rows, where you need the cable to move in a straight, consistent path. In flow mode, you're able to disengage the pop pin to follow along with your body for 180 degrees of movement, which is great for when you want to keep the resistance on the muscle and the strain off your joints. Integrated into the M10 is a single column Smith machine. There are 20 different catch points every 4 inches, which means no matter what exercise you're doing, there'll be a catch point for you. What really stands out about our Smith machine is an industry-leading lowest starting point. You can do a true deadlift with full range of motion, and that is not something you see every day. The bar itself is 35 pounds with standard Olympic knurling and a standard Olympic width, so it'll feel exactly like what you're used to. How you want to load the cable system is a choice you get to make on the M10. If you already have plates and prefer the plate-loaded design, you can do that for up to 270 pounds a side. If you prefer the cleaner, faster weight stack, you can do that for 150 or 200 pounds a side. Either way, both configurations work with the dual force twist lock, so you're not giving anything up. Out of the box, the M10 ships with a complete set of pro-grade attachments. The solid aluminum construction means no corrosion, no rust, and no chips over time. They're also lighter than their steel counterpart, which means that switching between exercises is fast. The J-hooks and spotter arms come with a UHMW coating, which protects your barbells and attachments from wear over time. From day one, you'll have all the attachments you need for an elite home gym, unlike the competition who charges per attachment. That's the M10. Freestyle pulley arms, walk-through design, flexible resistance options, 11 gauge steel, and a Smith machine. A complete gym in one structure. Full details and specs will be linked down below. Go take a look at the M10 and we'll see you in the next one.